3:32 is the time here at WBET. Joining me on the phone is a fellow who's entertained millions and millions of people, and he's got fans all over the world, especially on this program. He's my parents' personal favorite, one of my own as well, Mr. Frank Patterson. How are you, Frank?
Great, Jim, and yourself?
I'm doing great. Frank, you've got some really great albums out, and we're always getting requests for you here on Sounds of the Emerald Isle.
Oh, that's terrific. I'm delighted. You know, as I was saying, I'm down here in San Francisco at the moment.
Uh-huh.
I'm on my way over to do a concert in Oakland.
Uh-huh.
You know? And I just popped off the 101 to talk to you and to tell you about my concert in Lowell Memorial Auditorium.
And that...
things.
Things are just great, Frank. When's the concert in Lowell?
The concert is on November the 22nd.
November 22nd, okay. Yeah.
And I'm really looking forward to it. Like, you know, that's a wonderful auditorium, and so I'm hoping all my friends in the Boston area will make their way across there, you know?
Oh, I think they will, Frank. They certainly will.
Yeah.
You've got some new albums out as well, don't you?
That's right. I have the new concert requests, of course, which is a great one. I'm delighted with that. And I have, you know, the songs like the one from Titanic, Where My Heart Will Go On, and the song by that Andrea Bocelli made famous, the Time to Say Goodbye, and all those, you know.
Oh, yes.
And
yeah.
then, of course, the exciting thing altogether is the new Christmas Faith of Our Fathers, with the duet with John McCormack on it. There's a surprise for you.
That's absolutely amazing, Frank. Frank Patterson...
Listen to it yet, Jim?
Oh, I certainly have. I tell you, I can't believe the quality of you and John McCormack singing together, almost like you just recorded it together.
Well, but listen, when I was doing it with him, I mean, I felt that. I could feel his presence right beside me. I could hear him breathing, even in between the phrases. It was just fantastic. It's a great idea that John Cairns and Bernard Bennett came up with, you know.
Oh, it is, Frank. I don't know how anyone would even think up something like that.
When they phoned me during the summer and told me they had this idea, they said, wait till you hear the idea, they said, we have for you to do for the album. The opening track will be a duet between two tenors. And I said, who's the other tenor, says I, you know? And they said, John McCormack. And I was amazed. But actually, what they did was, they got the old recording of McCormack, which was done 60 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And they removed all the crackle and the scratches then from it, you know. And McCormack's voice comes out so beautifully, so fresh. It's incredible what they were able to accomplish, you know.
Oh, it is. I can't wait to play that song on the radio. I was amazed when I couldn't believe it, Frank.
Yeah, the audiences are going to love it. The reaction I've got from people like yourself in the business around the country and in Ireland especially as well, I mean, they just... In fact, I was back in Ireland 2 weeks ago and I had dinner with Johnny McCormack. That's John McCormack's grandson.
Oh.
There's a restaurant in Dublin, you know.
Uh-huh.
And he's a wonderful character, but he said the whole family were absolutely delighted with what they heard.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Delighted. Now, so this is wonderful, you know.
It is, yeah.
And, of course, all the other great Christmas songs are ours as well. And anybody who had Faith of Our Fathers, the first album, which is the biggest selling album in Irish history, I mean, anybody who had that will certainly love this Christmas Faith of Our Fathers, you know?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Yeah, that's quite an album, Frank, and I'm looking forward to starting to play it.
Oh, great. I'm looking forward to it, too. But, of course, like, in Lowell now, you know, I'll be singing I won't be singing Christmas songs, naturally. It'll be too soon.
Yep.
And I don't think John McCormack could actually appear with me, you know.
That's too bad.
But I have Hal Roach, and he'll make them laugh. He'll be with me. But I'll be singing all the songs, you know, from the concert request, like Time to Say Goodbye, and the song from Titanic. So it'll be a new selection of songs, and of course all the great faithful, you know, the Fields of Athenry and Danny Boy, everything. Like
Oh, yeah.
Santa Maria, but a bit of everything.
Yeah. Now, you have a show on PBS television coming,
That's
Frank.
Right.
Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, well, now, the exciting thing is, Jim, is that, you see, with the success of my Ireland's Golden Tenor show that PBS ran, you know, nationwide, now they're going with my Songs of Inspiration for the December pledge period. So I'll be going on 300 stations nationwide in December. So naturally, I'm not sure what the date will be in the Massachusetts area, but the listeners can just watch out for it. It'll be well publicized, but I'm sure they'll love it, you know.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So I mean, everything is go for us at the moment. My wife, Eiley, who, of course, as people know, is my accompanist, you know, and she's with me here today, and we're doing concerts together in California. I mean, Eiley will be with me, of course, in Lowell, and I mean, I think half the songs, half the success that I've had is the great backing that she gives me on the grand piano and on the Irish harp, you know. Team effort, you know, that's what it is. It's very fun. We love performing, and we're looking forward to seeing all our friends, you know.
Well, we're looking forward to seeing you again, Frank.
Great. Thanks a million, Jim.
Okay, and by the way, I can't wait till you come back into Brockton again.
Oh, I'm looking forward to
We'd love to have you back in Brockton again, Frank.
Yes, great.
Okay, we have a request, as a matter of fact, up next for one of your songs, a song from the Titanic.
Oh, wonderful. Fantastic. I hope they like it now. And listen, Jim, thanks a million for having me on the show and helping me to publicise this concert in Lowell, which is so important to us all. And thanks a million for everything.
Okay, Frank Patterson, thank you very much for joining us this afternoon.
God bless, Jim.
You too, Frank.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Frank. Frank Patterson here at WBET.